As the sole sedan in Jaguar's increasingly SUV-heavy lineup, the 2024 XF serves up executive transport with a distinctly British accent. The XF's alluring design serves as a reminder that above all else, Jaguar knows how to properly style a car. All models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but that engine comes in two strengths. P250 models get 246 horsepower, while the P300 has been boosted to 296 ponies. Its performance is adequate but far from class-leading, especially in this segment, where competitors often offer a 6-cylinder engine as an upgrade. The Jag's road manners are refined, though. To complement its sure-footedness, its ride is nicely balanced with just enough comfort tuned in. The XF's interior is just as lovely-looking as its exterior, and there's a reasonable amount of tech baked into the design. But it's here where the XF shows its age. Rivals such as the BMW 5 Series, the Genesis G80, and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class all sit closer to the cutting edge. Jaguar has simplified the XF's lineup yet again this year, whittling down the trims to just the R-Dynamic SE but offering it with the P250 and P300 engines, the latter of which comes standard with all-wheel drive. Several features are now standard, including a power-adjustable steering column, a heated steering wheel, and a digital gauge cluster. To maximize the sedan's value proposition, we'd go with the base P250 R-Dynamic SE. We see no reason to upgrade to the more powerful engine in the P300 model or add all-wheel drive. This entry-level model comes with plenty of desirable features, including an 11.4-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a 360-degree camera system, a 12-speaker Meridian stereo, passive hands-free entry, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. The XF is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that comes in two potencies. The P250 version produces 246 horsepower, and the P300 generates 296 horses. Both engines mate to an 8-speed automatic transmission, but only the more powerful one comes with all-wheel drive. P250 models are only offered with rear-wheel drive. While we haven't had the opportunity to test both versions at the track, we have driven a P300 model. It hits 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds, which is slower than the now-defunct supercharged V6 model, but the Jag's exhaust still sounds good. We appreciated the supple suspension, which delivered fluid handling along with exceptional ride quality. The XF steering transitioned adeptly between low-speed lightness and high-speed heft. The soft brake pedal had a gradual response, too. The rear-drive XF is rated up to 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. The more powerful P300 with all-wheel drive is rated at 22 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. We tested the latter XF on our 75 miles per hour highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and it achieved 30 miles per gallon in the real world. For more information about the XF's fuel economy, thoughtfully laid out, pleasingly spacious, and integrating several cool features, the XF's interior has most of the trappings of high society. Rich-looking upholstery wraps the XF seats, door panels, and dashboard, while metal accents add some brightness to the design. The center console features a wireless smartphone charging pad and a couple of storage cubbies. Power front seats with heat are standard, as is a power-adjustable steering column with a heated steering wheel. All models come with dual-zone automatic climate control, too. The XF's trunk is a decent size. We fit 5 carry-on suitcases inside. With the rear seats folded, we fit 15.